Long time no see, kamusta kayo?
Kamusta?
Happy na dito ako ulit. Siyempre, showbiz industry, hindi naman talaga ako nagtagal doon. But I feel that going back to a premiere is something that I feel very happy about.
Sino ang kinakamusta? Sino ang sinusuportahan mo doon?
Well, ang production, tsaka ang cast. So as the chairman of the Special Committee on Creative Industries, gusto ko rin to be in touch with the creative industries. Tsaka alaman natin kung paano pa natin supportahan ng industriya.
Grabe, syempre kung nasa showbiz kami, akala namin nililigawan ka uli,
Wala. Alam mo, happy ako na to be just working and focusing on myself.
Namimiss mo ba ito, yung mga gantong ganap?
Nakakamiss dahil yung energy, yung creatives talagang napakaganda. Na ang talento ng Pinoy, no, ng ating mga artists, ng production, pang world stage talaga, pang global.
I saw that, pinalabas mo yung Sunshine sa Congress.
Yes.
Yung reception.
Very happy with the reception dahil advocacy film po yan. And si Direct Tonet with the whole team, sobrang galing, critically acclaimed, at the same time commercially successful. So yung advocacy really resonated with our fellow lawmakers. Yun yung point talaga na dito dapat natin ipakita to show kung ano yung pinaglalaban ng film ng Sunshine and to really have that dialogue within our lawmakers.
Kung initiative mo yun?
Yes. In-invite po ako ni Garlic Garcia, head po ng EU. She said, punta ka dito sa screening ng Sunshine. So okay, punta ako. And I was, actually yung whole movie, parang I was uneasy until even towards the end. Hindi ko na spoil yung ending, pero even medyo light yung ending, I still was uneasy dahil i-share ko lang din na I was a former mayor sa hometown namin sa Victoria City, and nakita ko first hand yung mga epekto ng teenage pregnancy po sa amin. We have about 189 when we started teenage pregnant cases. We already brought it down to about 102 for this year, and grabe yung advocacy namin dahil yung mga cases ng teenage pregnancy, apektado yung nanay dahil to stop school, apektado yung bata dahil yung first 1,000 days kulang ng nutrition, dehado na sila, di pa sila pinapanganak. So yun po. So I'm very touching yun sa akin, and then I said kailangan natin ipakita sa Congress.
What did you discuss with Maurice regarding this?
What do you mean? About the movie?
Oo, bakit yung iba pa?
Wala. Hindi ko naman. Hindi.
About the movie,
Wala. Siyempre, kamusta yung role niya sa Sunshine? Happy naman. Hindi, wala. No naman. Wala. Kaibigan ko yung mga love team niya, no? Hindi. Kasi, ano talaga? Mabilis ako mag-rent. Hindi. Happy siya. Happy siya na pinakita namin sa Congress. Tapos, yung ibang lawmakers, nagsabi, dalhin namin sa distrito, ganun. So,
Pero kung di ba...
ano ba? Pinapawisan na tuloy ako dito.
Pero kung di ba kaibigan mo naman si Maris before?
So, best friend yan ng ex ko. So, friends lang kami.
At least friends pa rin kayo?
Hindi nga, buti nga friends lang kami. I wasn't sure na baka inaway because close sila ni Sue. Okay naman.
Kamusta, no? Kasi tawag mo rito. Ngayon, syempre, ang init ng Congress, ang init ng Senate.
Napakainit.
Tungkol sa mga nepong baby.
Napakainit, grabe.
Do you have any hand on this? Kumbaga parang also speaking out.
I've made statements that we're against all of this. Siyempre yung projects na yan. We're for accountability and transparency. When I was mayor, part po ako ng Mayors for Good Governance. Actually, invite ako ni Mayor Vico at the time. So, nakamusta po si Mayor Benji. And then, hanggang ngayon, I still signed for it. Actually, nung lumabas, nagulat nga ako. Sabi ko, ano lang, kahit lagyan niya ng former mayor. Sabi nila, hindi, lagyan natin congressman. So, yung unang labas, ako lang yung kong na nandun sa Mayors for Good Governance. But, I think with this, it's I stand by the president when he said that we will investigate all of this. Pero kailangan, I think tuloy-tuloy po to. But it should also be peaceful. I understand, siguro, not fully understand, but I see where everyone else are coming from, yung outrage, yung galit. I hope maging productive eventually yung ating mangyari. May mananagot. At the end of the day, kailangan may mananagot.
How is this? You move around in such a small circle. You guys, you know them personally. You guys are friends. Kamusta yan behind the scenes? Can you take us?
Grabe rin talaga dahil I came from Congress today. Alam niyo man yung nangyari today with the Senate hearing.
Mga pangalan.
Mga pangalan.
Nakikita mo yan. Nakakasama mo yan.
Yes. Well, at the end of the day, sila dapat yung mag-respond doon. I don't have any comment about yung kanilang distrito, kung sino yung mga naapektuhan. Gusto lang sabihin is I support the creation of the independent commission dahil yung nangyayari ngayon sa Senate hearing is sinabi nila yung last hearing ganito, sinabi nila sa hearing kanina medyo iba. Ba't nagka-inconsistency, diba? So let's see kung how this will be moving forward.
Lighter side naman kung ano ba, are you single ba ngayon o may date ka ngayon?
Single ako.
Naimimiss mo kayong parang syempre kahit pa paano meron kang personal inspiration?
Yes, nakakamiss yung inspiration na gano'n.
Matagal din yun.
Yes, leading towards that. I'm very happy for them. Siyempre 5 years kami ng ex ko. But she's found someone new. I'm happy for them. Ang feeling ko nga, sila na yung endgame eh. So, happy talaga ako.
Personally, ikaw, hindi mo ba namimiss na sana someday baka ako naman maging masaya?
Sana, masaya naman ako. Kahit wala akong kasama araw-araw. Pero nakakamiss minsan sa times na pagod ka sa araw mo. Tapos, syempre, at the end, kasama mo sa kwarto or kasama mo kamusta kung ano yung mga nangyayari. Hopefully someday. At iniisip ko nga, ano yan? Parang ang dami ng age ko na nagkakasal na, nagkakaanak na. Minsan may pressure din, pero sabi ko on the right time it will come. No? Ganun naman talaga yan.
Tingin mo ba
hindi mo rin ina-expect, baka may mangyari. So, ako hindi talaga ako nag-actively naghanap. Ang dami pa nangyayari ngayon. So, I want to make sure that the work is clean, efficient, and inclusive in the work that I do.
Pero tingin mo next time na magkakaroon ka ng karelasyon, showbiz ba or non-showbiz?
Baka non-showbiz.
Wow.
Baka non-showbiz. Pero tinan natin, hindi natin masabi.
Okay.
Kamusta kayo ni Sue? Are you friends? Ni Sue ngayon?
I'd like to say friends kami. Hindi naman kami nag-followan, etc. Yung last, although nag-congratulate siya sa family ko, saka sa team ko nung nanalo ako. Pero hindi kami message, pero okay lang. I think we're still friends. I haven't seen her since our last conversation. We went separate ways. So, pero at the time, I mean, talagang walang issue sa aming dalawa. We both felt that it was time to move on.
Are you happy? Na-happy rin siya sa love life na kayo?
Happy ako sa kanya. I'm very happy.
Do you know personally to?
I didn't meet him before, pero alam ko nag-uusap sila noon. For other things, so hindi naman talaga for any love interest. It was about, I think he was asking if we were interested in buying a car. Yun na po. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.